Dorcas, I didn't remember to have called you here. So what are you doing here?
Na school nke mukwa. School nke mukwa. Can get another permissions before Ngaria. Emuma. Auntie Copra. Why are you no go come? Why I no go call myself? Ebi le shaya ga pota watantan jezike. Wore ebe ko sadu ku oshishi. Igbo home. Why you no call me? Say me I come follow una dey learn this thing wey una dey learn here. Say mo why I call? Why I no go call?
Biko ma jog. No verse. Who be the one tan takri jezike?
Oh ngono.
Huh? Mwa. Me. What tan takri where they take rest. May you rest in peace. No, you go rest in peace forever. Stupid thing. Why you follow me around? You buy me hotel? Why be saying anywhere I'm taking rokogete? Me poge me pota. Any sacrament to hold two of us? I no go do anything why I want again. Or because we be friends, I no go talk to another woman again. Mind yourself, oh. Mind yourself, oh. Let's learn what you know.
Why should go brought you out here? Why? You know not say the person where you they brought up and here and there. Now my friends, you know new. So he come for Dumaka motem. You know my things. Things that belongs to me. It belong Romo in Napomia, Makane walk opera.
Excuse me. What is it that belongs to you, if I may ask?
Tihonu.
Huh?
Yes, it's Tihon. You know you say he's my friendship. You know knew why you go brought him out here, you know brought me.
So because we be nonsense stupid friend, I'm not go talk to another person again. Is that what you are talking of? So because you be my nonsense friend, I'm not go talk to person again. Mind yourself, oh. Allow me to learn what I call learn for this school. Oh, no be you I come here for. The day when they use ambulance, carry you, bring you to this school. They no bundle two of us with Japan, put it together. You come to learn, me I come to learn. Focus on your education. Make I focus on my education. Focus, oh. Focus, make I focus. Focus, so let the two of us focus, oh. Let us read.
Dorcas, go back to the classroom.
I is not going anywhere. I is not living here without my tiyo. Go back to class.
Copy. We could leave here. Let us continue.
Tio, you know what? We'll continue this lesson some other time.
No, because of her. Because of this thing here. Go CWO meeting. If she want to talk anything, make she go parish, go meet the woman leader. May they continue what they are doing. This is teacher and students. So leave her. A for word of
apple.
A for apple. B for Binta. C for. What is the problem? Mind yourself, oh. Leave me alone. Go to your class.
Tio, don't worry. Sit down. Sit down. Just sit.
I'm at the Kabiko.
We'll continue this lesson some other time, okay?
Better. Lele, you think I be small picking? You think I don't knew what is happening here? In Amiari, it happened classroom. Ever what a new classroom and I push here. Oh, they Akoko Mike Jaga. I got a school looking. Namo.
How can I give birth to something idiot like you? Dorcas, are you working at this school? Mind yourself for this school, oh. Allow me make I learn the book where I can't learn. Na book my master make I can't learn, so I go become a fool ato. No be you I come here for. You know my type, oh. Stay away from me, oh. Not type you, oh. I don't know the friend anyhow kind person. People with their friend, na people who get fit, slim fit and figure 8 people. Leave me, oh.
Bia ti hoke ne do amu ake parega. Mgba honkete ne na agbo kan ketara na ato are maka n'ihu. So, you dey happy say Miss Ward de ka mo no gniru. E dey happy say when I from Miami no gnihu. E no na to maka nihu. You don't forget say I be just same lovers. I know they like sharing my properties with the people. You know new.
Wait, be careful, you be jealous in love. So who you they jealous they love?
Ngono.
Moi. Theophilus. I jump and pass you. Jabi wogo binigwe biborom go binigwe brongo. Ni the jealous lover. See, make I tell you. You see this copper? Na English na in she dey help me polish and nothing more. Any other thing where you dey think say na wetin she dey do, you dey waste your time. She dey teach me how to pronounce English, how to polish my English so that when I become the actor, I go dey speak through my nose. That is the only thing where she dey help me do. And as you can see, since where she dey come close to me, my English don dey change. Since where I dey with you, I go carry words put for where is supposed to dey, carry is put for where we are supposed to dey. You just despoil me anyhow. I want to stay away from you, so I go learn better English to progress my career.
You cannot stay away from me. You not fit stay away from me. Other not possible. You know not say I be your heir. You know say without me you go fit die. You don't know.
Chai.
You don't know. You don't know. Tiho.
Obinigwe.
Assiste.
Mini nenye ikukoma kukundo.
Polisher. Polisher. Mo bregu gwa nega polisher na elu bedi. Ite mama hum he na menu. Ana amiare. Unsunu kwad. Una ba no kuke. Una amiare. Na amiare. I be your sense, so if you leave me, you no go get sense for this life.
Chai, that means I'm senseless.
No.
If say you be my sense, I am senseless. Stay away from me, make I learn my book. A for apple, B for
baby moo,
C for
cat,
D for
daddy,
E for
Raya,
F for Mark, what is your problem? No more for the quagga. Docas!
Thank you so much for your time.
Yes, Auntie.
I must say, I think I am beginning to fall in love with you. In fact, I love you. Tio.
Auntie.
You know, I've not really had a very good relationship. I've been in terrible relationships. But meeting you made me realize that there is actually love at first sight. Yes. And I deeply love you. I am in love. Come on, don't blush. You don't need to. You don't need to blush, Tio. Come on, don't blush.
Sorry, love.
It's fine. It's fine. I know you're shy. I know. Look at me. Come on, look at me. Don't be shy. Come on. You're big for this. Just say what you want to say.
I love you too. Just that since you came
to our school. I am learning very fast. Your English is entering very, very fast. Unlike all those our mother teachers. Hakwelu kwa loda baga. Hadi kangamana mamna bamba na village. Manozbo hu batra na school like. Braka kopa gote. Kon the copper English into me. I'm learning every day. In fact, I feel you will stay there forever, not going. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, give me a hug. Come on. Yeah, come on. Hug me.
Hey! What is your problem? No, not I what you want to. Not touch that girl, no. Not touch. Lucas.
Theophilus, what have I done to you? Eh? Kirike ona mama ngudu no mmiri tọgbọrọ gị iko. Afa ga-abụrụ nke mere jụọ oyi imekwa ọzọ. A na-ekwu nke imere ịtụkwasị another one n'enu ya. Eh? Two ladies, a student and a teacher, fought because of you and injured themselves. Now the principal said she doesn't want to see you anywhere around that school again.
Better. Praise the Lord. Now waiting good. In fact, this is what happened now. You're supposed to clap for me. They celebrate me. Yes. That two women, they fight for my head. Is it not better thing? That woman now about but better women will say they come out like this, they fight for your picking. You can see they proud of it. Now see me here. See, I no go that school again. Me before myself, I don't ask around. Another school where I go fix myself. I go finish there. No, there's nonsense where they teach you, they go come, they take and they threaten me. I see say they teach heaven and earth. 1 0 to 2 abo. Abechi there fegi. 1 0 to 2 talking 2 abo. Total me here and akuzinga. They never even for one day teach me anything concerning auto. I don't come out you. Thank God says she don't talk himself. Me, before she talk I don't take my immigration letter submit.
Theophilus. Say her, say it. God forbid. Okay, the henka. Everywhere you step your feet, bam. Ide signature, okay? A sign half again. Chiatazo. What is all this? Eh? Can't I rest for once? And Theophilus, do you think that you are still a child? Eh? It's a little what I can. You don't know what if you go for no church, eh? Go to school, so room has it. Oboga possible. They are all in the city. Doing well. We begin to go. Refuse to go to school. Ngwanu, jekuzi na akwụkwọ na nka. Still okworoge. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you, Theophilus. Shame. Fear kwa.
Mama, you know, Mama, you they talk and say your own better.
To fear.
I can never hear your own story. Maybe I resemble.
My story had to work and take that. Oh, in Kega, your father had to work and take it. I'm not maybe see work up. I don't know where you came out from. Eh? I don't know where you came out from. Hey!
I don't hear how you take chop my papa money, chop and. Man, no talk. Oh. Make I no talk. Oh.
Talk that talk. Oh. Theophilus, talk the talk. You must talk the talk. Theophilus, I said you talk the talk. Talk him. Theophilus, talk him. You must talk him. Tio? Theophilus, what have I not done for you? What have I not done for you? What have I done for you. You useless idiot. Eh? Everybody na nkwa fugo na n'isi gị. Otu awụ n'ezi. Gaa boy. Mba. Jụọ akwụkwọ. Mba. Is a ninja boy. Nene gị na ninja. Ninja takwuhe anything. Ninja.
Ama gbagị karatu. Ama gbagị karatu. Akamo.
Ngwarụ bịara ka anyị gbaa. Ọ bụ ka gba gị nkịtị. No. Come closer. Bịa ka ịpịrị ya.
Iche ni ga-emeli ninja.
Bịa ka ịpịrị ya. Theophilus asị gị bịa ka ịpịrị ya. Why you running? Why are you running?
Aka m apụta ụlọ. Efula ụkwụ m pụta o.
Ụkwụ gị pụta.
Ụkwụ m ga-apụta o.
Nke m apụtago. Asị gị nke m apụtago. Oh, because I be keeping you quiet. Ị na-ezuzu. Ị na-ezuzu ọkụ ya. Theophilus.
Aga m azakwa nwa bụrụ nne ya o.
Bịa. Aga m aza nne bụrụ nwa ya. Theophilus asị gị bịa. Bịa, come. Yes. Wapụta ụkwụ gị pụta. Asị m ụkwụ gị pụta. I'm ready for you. I'm not taking your nonsense. Come. I'm ready for you, baby. I am the one running.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.